Hi everyone, today's tutorial will show you how to delete a second Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to delete. Then, tap on your profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select the settings and privacy. Then scroll down and tap the account center. Then select the personal details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Then choose the deactivation or deletion. Then select the second account you want to delete. Tap the Delete account, then press Continue. Choose a reason for deletion. It's optional. Then after that, tap Continue again. Enter your password to verify your ownership. Then tap Delete account to finalize. Note: your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. If you change your mind, log in within 30 days to cancel the deletion. And it's done. Your second Instagram account will be now deleted. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.